3 knots to know on the water. The clove hitch. Starting by taking the rope over the top, you bring the rope back towards yourself, creating an X. Tucking it back over, you'll bring the rope up through the middle, where as you can see, it makes a nice neat X pattern when pulled tight. Perfect for use as a temporary attachment. We wouldn't use a knot like this for fenders, as you can see, it will become loose as it moves up and down. The round turn and 2 half hitches. Taking the rope over the top twice, also known as the round turn, we then cross the short end of the rope over the long end, tucking the rope up the middle from the backside and pulling tight. Ensuring we're copying the same direction, we'll once again cross the short end of the rope over the long end and tuck the rope up the middle. A great secure knot, perfect for your fenders. The bowline knot. Creating an anti-clockwise loop with the rope, we'll bring the short end up through the hole and pass it around the back of the tree. Feeding the rope back through the initial hole created, we can pull on the long length of rope to create a robust loop which can be used for mooring. And that's 3 knots to know on the water.